Hello everyone, in this video we will make this welcome slide in MS PowerPoint. So look at, so this is an animated welcome slide, so we will create it in MS PowerPoint. So let's start to build this slide. So I have taken an empty slide in MS PowerPoint. So after taking this empty slide, so let's first of all insert a shape. Come here to the insert and come here to the shapes and a rectangular. After selecting rectangular, just drag it and cover the whole slide. After covering that, shape outline none and shape background color shape fill. So let's select, for example, this color. And after that, let's move to shape fill and to gradient and make it at the center. So after that, let's write welcome in this slide. Come here to insert and to text box and select this text box. Just write here welcome message. So after writing welcome message, let's increase the size. First of all, let's change the font to this impact and let's change now the welcome message slide size. Okay, so let's make it like this. Let's just decrease the size a little bit, make it like 205 or 210. The size, that is okay. So let's now select the shape and select this text and move to shape format and come here to the align center and align middle. So after bringing that, let's insert a new text box. In this new text box, I will write a message to our presentation. So let's change the font for this one. Let's make it this one and just increase the size. And after that, let's just add the space between these characters. So add space between these characters. Let's come here to character spacing and more spacing and select insert here 20. Press OK. So let's make it a little bit more like 22 or 23. Make it 23 and press OK. So this is welcome to our presentation. So let's bring it here to the center. So after that, first of all, select this shape, then press Ctrl and select this text and down text. After selecting all these, come here to the shape format and come here to this merge shapes and select here subtract. So after selecting subtract, it will looks like this. Now let's insert an image. Insert picture from this device. First, for example, insert this one. So let's come here to crop and aspect ratio 16:9. Select outside and bring it like this and cover the whole slide. So after that, right click on this image and send it to back. So after sending it to back, so it will looks like this. Now let's add the animation. So to add the animation, let's decrease the size. Now let's insert an image, the second image that we would like to apply on. For example, we want to insert this one. So let's come crop aspect ratio 16:9 and cover the whole image, and after that bring it to the right side. And after that, selecting this image, come here to the animation and add animation, then come here to the motion path and select lines. After selecting lines, come here to the effect options and lift. So after selecting lift, so let's now just insert the duration is, for example, 6 seconds. So after inserting the duration, now let's insert this red arrow key. Look at this red arrow key. So select this red arrow key. So after that, just move it to the left side until this image cover the whole text. Look at, so it looks like this. Now click outside and right click on this image and come here to send backward. So because it should come out under this shape. So after sending it outside, so let's bring this image here and also select this red arrow key again and bring this image until this area. So that is okay. So we have cleared and we created this animation. Now let's show the animation button. Click on this to start it. Press that and click to start the animation. So it will start now the animation. Look at, so it looks like this. So it's how we can create this welcome slide presentation in MS PowerPoint. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this with your friend and family, and also like this video and comment down. Thanks for watching.